Toy Bonanza dudes to another episode of the Toy Show. And we have the Turtle Target practice from Nickelodeon Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Set number 30270.
30270.
Okay. And let's look at it. Here's the Kraang.
And I
Nice printing on him.
Can't see it. Your hand's in the way. Let him
Nice
move your hand.
printing.
Move your hand.
Nice printing on him. And he kind of has detail to the back to show the other side of the Kraang. As you can see, the blue is hanging out on the torso, and to just make it look like it's sticking out. You know, their bodies are supposed to be round. The bodies are supposed to be round. Let's look at the mini turtles.
Yeah. So
I just made April
and here is Michelangelo.
Anyway, where's
cool.
Donatello? Where's Donatello?
That's cool.
Oh, there it is.
Now
And here are the mini turtles. This one is actually April.
Which you made on your own.
Yeah, this one.
Here's Donatello.
This one.
Michelangelo.
This one.
Leonardo.
This one.
Raphael. And April.
This one. And this one.
So
So
let's look at the combat thing.
so here is this.
What's the missile?
Here's that.
Missile.
And here's this for the target
What's
practice.
the frick missile? Declan, stop interrupting my video.
So
Oh my god.
here's
Oh my
this.
god.
Very nice.
Here's the flick missile. Ah, there it is.
Here's them. And their little target practice. So there's a couple of
try to
carbon.
Shoot Raphael.
Shooting.
So let's try to shoot Raphael.
That's all.
And missed. And it went on the floor. Okay.
So have them. We have them for target practice. So
And
Nope,
we
they go
got
on top of
two of these sets. Because you can see we have two Kraangs. We have two Kraangs.
There we go.
and here's my Kraang. Him. My Kraang. Here's the set when it looks together. And here's that Kraang that falls over. So here's what it looks like. Head printing. Back head printing. Put the Kraangs up.
And you can see April looks kind of like a potion bottle because of the shape.
She's made out of the extra pieces that came with the
Yeah.
set. Okay. Very creative.
Okay, let me show you how to make the turtles.
No, what do you guys think?
Take the
Do you like them?
take a
Do you like the
stud.
set, Ian?
You take this, and then you take a little flat green tile.
Okay. We'll put it on top.
And that's how to make Leonardo. And
What do you think all together? Do you like the set?
yeah, I like it. I like it so much because I like about the Kraang. They look pretty cool about the back printing and head printing.
What do you think, Declan?
Awesome. I like because the back printing
Oh, yeah.
and the
Same
head
as Ian.
printing.
Which turtle's your favorite?
Mikey.
Very cool.
So together the set, I don't know where we bought this somewhere.
Toys R Us.
Yes, Toys R Us. So I really wanted the Kraang because of his back printing. And we'll see you back on the next episode of TMNT.